What's up, guys? So I'm here, meet up with Dr. Pham and check my shoulder, elbow, pec out. I kind of took another little slam on a mini ramp at Ruka. We're gonna show the video right now. We'll link it back. I also just put it out right there. I was training, then after I went to go skate the mini ramp, I tried a little rock to fakie, which you'll see right now. And I ate crap, man. I slung back. So when you rock to fakie, you're going forward, then you're coming back fakie. And when I came down, boom, my elbow slammed, my shoulder bunched up with my chest. So I just want to make sure it's all good and probably get some treatment on it. See what he says. Make sure that, you know, there's nothing torn or broken or anything. It's been pretty sore lately. I hope it's not that AC joint or rotator cuff or anything major. But we're going to go get it checked out, hopefully get it worked on. So I'm here at Core Physical Therapy, and let's see what Dr. Pham has to say. Let's go. What's up, guys? So I'm here with Dr. Pham at Core Physical Therapy, and he's here to check me out. As you guys know, I spoke about it earlier. You guys have already seen the big fall. Pretty beat up, man. I hurt my shoulder, my elbow, and my pec a tiny bit. It's a little tight. So I just wanted to check it out to make sure I get back to action, and it's nothing too bad.
Yeah, exactly. We want to make sure, Big Boy performs at his best and make sure he's clear for, returning back to everything without hurting himself further.
Shoulder.
Check out the elbow.
So I feel the pain in here, kind of. I don't know if I tweaked it on the fall a little bit or if it's just from the impact. My elbow's pretty swollen here from the Tony Hawk fall, but this is where the kind of pain is right now.
Yeah, what we want to check out to make sure it's nothing serious is check out the tendons, because you got the tendons that connect in here, and that area can get really sore if you already have a tendon injury. Doing further and further workouts are going to make it worse, so we want to clear you for that. So is that tender sore in there?
It's a little sore, a little tender.
No sharp pain though, right?
No sharp pain.
All right, go ahead and do this for me. Fist up. I'm gonna pull. Don't let me pull you. Okay, hold it. Get any sharp pain with that?
No.
All right. Let's go ahead and flip it over this way. Knuckles up. Hold it right there, okay? Hold it. All right, good. Yeah. So we know the tendon is not too damaged there.
So if the tendon was damaged, it would?
No, you would feel it. You'd feel a sharp pain right in through here.
Okay.
The medial side. But what we got to deal with here is all this swelling. So this is a sign that you landed on it really hard. Still inflamed. Does it hurt when you work out, bench, or anything like that?
No, not here. It's a little bit sore in this area, really. This is more just feels tight, and if, I even get up off the bed or something with my elbow, it's pretty tender, but I think it's more of like a bruise type thing.
Yeah, I would say for
hematoma.
Exactly. So you want to just ice it, use any recovery tools.
You think they could drain it?
They could, but it'll probably go away on its own. But you do want to get circulation to it. Keep doing your workouts. You can use elbow wraps if it really bothers you when you bench, do pull-ups or something like that. But other than that, that should go away. I'm more concerned about the tendon, and since that's clear, you're good to go.
As you guys saw in the video, I slammed similar to the way I slammed on Tony Hawk's ramp, which was on my right side. Instead of going forward down the ramp, I was telling you guys earlier, I went up and I went back down the ramp and I slipped out and fell on the shoulder.
Exactly. So you want to check out the AC joint here. Go ahead and just relax. I'm going to pull down. Now if we're seeing instability, you should be able to see the sulcus sign right there, but we don't, so that's good. You have any pain or tenderness in through here as I'm pressing?
Nothing crazy, no.
All right. Thumb down. Hold it right here, okay? Hold it. Good. Now this one, just relax. I'm going to move your arm. Doing good right there?
Yeah.
All right. Hold it right here. I'm going to push. Don't let me push you. Good. I'm going to pull you out. Don't let me pull you. Good. No pain in through this area, right?
No.
That's good. That's a healthy shoulder.
So what do you think? Like, is it my trap that kind of bunched up? Is that what makes it hurt?
Yeah, when you landed on this here, it kind of jammed everything up.
Yeah.
So anytime you have a big impact or a traumatic fall, it's going to make everything sore. What we're looking for are torn rotator cuff tendons, labrum issues, AC joint issues, but we don't see that.
Can my trap get so tight it's yanking this up?
Yeah, it can. So what we can do with that is, some deep sports massage. There's other types of things that you can do, but basically you want to relax that muscle and make sure it, contracts and relaxes how it's supposed to and not be all bunched up and affect your performance.
And can that like affect my like pec? Because like I've been feeling like when I bench, like this is really tight in here now for some reason.
Yeah, definitely.
Or
when everything is
compromising
tight,
or something.
yeah, you're compensating with these muscles. So instead of your pecs firing both evenly, everything is moving as a unit, as a team. Certain areas are taking more of that load.
Okay.
And short term, you'll still get the lifts accomplished, you'll still get the job done. But then long term, that's going to set your body up for injuries, and we don't want that. Definitely get some treatment, work on those areas, bring up those areas that are tight, and make sure they're performing well. Otherwise, you're going to have some imbalances and things like that.
Looks like I'm good to go. Just gotta get in here with Dr. Pham, get some treatment regularly, and what else? Some ice and.
Yeah, ice. We'll put some laser on it. That sort of thing. That's going to increase the rate of healing of the tissue. Make sure you're back quicker rather than later.
All right, cool. Well, let's get to that process. A little bit, yeah. Not anything like sharp pain. It's just I can feel it. It's more of like a little sore stretch.
Yeah.
But I think this would always hurt it. This is not like a easy movement.
Yeah.
On my arm. That's weird. Dark skin thing.
Yeah.
Cool.
Pretty attached,
Yeah.
Yep.
There we go. Okay.
Just not dispersing everywhere.
Cool.
There we go. Round one.
Yeah.
I'll be back, my
Get
friend.
that treatment. Gotta get that treatment. Get healthy.
A little bit.
It's the number one thing. You may get hurt, but you gotta treat your body right so you can get back to performing 100%. So small, minor little setbacks, little bumps, but it's all good. The bigger picture, we're gonna keep getting it.
All right, Jim. Okay. Let's try the bridges with the band.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Keep going.
What's up, guys? We just finished up over here at Core Physical Therapy with Dr. Pham. He checked out my elbow, my shoulder, and my chest, my pec, and everything looks like it's okay. It's sore and a little bit beat up and tender, but for the most part, I'm clear to go. I'm gonna take it a little bit take it a little easier on the way to probably won't max out too soon, but I'm gonna keep getting after it. The main thing that I've learned in staying healthy and staying in this game a long time, and I could even tell with all the skaters out there, because most of my injuries lately have been coming from skateboarding. You gotta have the recovery, man. So I'm thankful that I know Dr. Pham, and he can always help me and get me recovered so I can get back out there and lift and skateboard and MMA and do everything that I love and bring you guys out daily content, man. So appreciate all the support out there and everyone seeing if I'm okay with when I slammed again on my shoulder, elbow. I'm all good. I'll be straight, and we're gonna keep getting back at it. So I appreciate you guys. If you guys do want any of the merch, the supplements, get everything at strengthcartel.com, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Keep banging.